Test 1 without super night mode. Welcome everybody, it's Saturday the 25th of January, heading to my first jumble sale of the year. Welcome everybody, I'm going to open the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro because I need to charge the batteries up, check all the settings and use it tomorrow. I'm going to a jumble sale. Gonna open up the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and see what's there, because it's got extension rod, 3 batteries, battery case, etc. And here is the battery and the battery charger. So what we got in this one, we have got, which is the case. It's the new DJI case. All the bits and pieces that I need. You can see, I want a little bit like that, but it's a smaller version. Got one of those clips, and we've got one of those that I probably won't even use. It's the actual camera itself. I've also got one of these, which does fit over here, like a lens cap. Will fit, I think, or does it? I take that off and the lens cap does fit, but it's a right sod. You take that off, so you can't fit the protector lens cap on with the rubber bit around. So take the rubber bit off and then you fit the lens cap on, which is a bit of a pain because you've got to not lose it. Cable, usual stuff, and all the batteries that we've got. Another one of these to clip on to the bottom like that. So that's that for the for basically this, the extension. It's a little bit like the one that I already use. You know, you got the extension here. It already fits the DJI, okay. So I could use my one and have this one here. It's a new one. Have it for spare. Here is the DJI with my extension on, with 3 batteries. Un, deux, trois. I'll have to see how much I charged. I already put it in here. I'll have to have a look at anyway, so sort it out. Spare one of these chargers, but it's only a 2 plug, which is fine because we've got the 3 one here with the 3 the original DJI ones. Don't break it beforehand. Couple of batteries. These are like third-party ones, but they work in the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So I've got 3, 4, 5, and it should have a better battery life than the GoPro Hero 7. I've now got the case on the new DJI Action 5 Pro. Right, let's do it now. A nice little lens there. You can see through the lens. Perfect. Same as other action cameras, you've got to take the case off to get a new fresh battery inside, which can be annoying. Take a few minutes, but other than that, it's okay. It's just that the lens cover here, you've got to take this bit off here, the rubber bit, before you get the lens cap on, which is very annoying because knowing me, I'll probably end up losing a bit around the lens. Another little annoyance is the fact that because the clip is magnetic and it goes here, you got to take the clip off, which takes a little while to get the case off to actually be able to change a new battery, which is kind of annoying because it should be attached into that, the extension rod. Another little annoyance I found is that when you are taking the case off, you've got to push from the back to get it off. As you can see, push the back, and you've got to put hand marks on the screen, which is very annoying. What I'll do is have a look at all the settings first on a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, then look on YouTube, see what are the best settings roughly to use, and then come back later and show you what settings I've used. Resolution I've put on 1080p, 60 frames per second. I've also started with Rocksteady Plus and Standard. Don't like the wide setting. Standard's good. A Rocksteady Plus, hopefully it won't be any like that in the video. On my GoPro Hero 7, I've got 1080p, 50 frames per second. Hopefully 10 frames of resolution will be much better. When you're trying to get the battery level up on the DJI Osmo Action 5, it's better to have the proper batteries than the third-party batteries like these, which are okay in the DJI Osmo Action 5, but work better with the 4. So I've got 3 proper batteries and 2 third-party ones, as you can see here. Press that and you can see 40%. There's a couple of things I do like about the DJI Osmo Action 5 is the front-facing camera. It's really useful for when I record haul videos after I've been to car boots, charity shops, jumble sales, for example. Also, I like the internal storage. If I forget to put in a SD card, then I've got a couple of gigabytes free to use. Test 1 without super night mode. Test 2 with super night mode. Test 3 at night with the light on. Test 4 indoors without super night mode. Test 5 indoors with super night mode. Welcome everybody, it's Saturday the 25th of January, heading to my first jumble sale of the year. Jumble sale is just round this corner.